Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome to my channel PressTube. Now in this video I'm going to make the golden YouTube play button. Now this is the official one that I received from YouTube about 2 years ago when I reached 1 million subscribers. But as you all know guys, this one is not from real gold, so I'm going to make one that is from real gold. Now I have some gold here. I also have some pencils, a lot of them, and I'm going to use those to make a nice golden YouTube play button. Now I'm also giving away a FLIR ONE PRO thermal imaging camera. When you connect this to your smartphone, it turns your smartphone into a thermal imaging camera, just like this one. Now it's quite an awesome technique guys. These cameras see heat, so I'm going to use this camera when I'm pouring the gold, so you can see how hot it is. Now how can you win this camera? Well, somewhere in this video there will be a 12-digit code that pops up, and that you need to use on the website of FLIR. I will explain a bit more in the description of this video. Okay, enough talking guys, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider to give this a thumbs up. Now this is my version of the YouTube Golden Play Button Award, and I hope you like it, guys. Now this is a real golden play button that I put in there, so yeah, it's worth quite a lot. Now I'm also gonna show you the back in just a moment, because I poured in some black and gold epoxy in there and it turned out quite nice also, but that's not so important because that part will be against the wall most of the time. So this is the back side, and yeah, I think the colors came out quite nice. So guys, now I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. If you want to subscribe to my channel, just click here, or if you want to see another video of me, just click there.